Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the Wi-Fi icon is missing on your Windows. So if the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar is not showing or missing, and also if you click on the start button, go to settings, click on network and internet, and the Wi-Fi right here is missing too, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Or you can directly search for Run in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Type here in the Run window ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now the network connections window will appear. Then you need to locate your Wi-Fi. Make a right click on it. Select Disable. Wait for some time. And then make a right click on it again, select Enable. Now if this works, then good, but if not, then you need to move to the next methods. Close this window. Then we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar, type here Services. Click on it under the Best Match. The Services window will appear. Now let's simply scroll down to W and look for the WLAN autoconfig. This one. WLAN autoconfig, make a right click, select properties, startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is already running, click on stop. Click on start to restart the service. Or if this is not running in your case, just simply click on start, apply, and then OK. And then check back if the problem has been fixed. Then for the next method is we need to simply again in the Windows search bar type here internet options. It's in internet options under the best match. Click on that. Now this window will appear, the internet properties window, which has general tab, security tab, privacy tab, content tab, connections tab, programs tab, and the advanced tab. Now you need to click on the last tab, which is the advanced tab, and you'll find here the button restore advanced settings. Click on that, apply, and then OK. The next method is we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type cmd. Now do not click right away under the best match, but on the right pane you have to click on run as administrator. In here, just follow me for the commands. First command is natsh space winsock space reset. It's natsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command natsh space int space ip space reset log.txt, hit enter. Now once done, there's a statement here to restart the computer. To complete this action, just type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart the Windows. Then for the final method in the Windows search bar, type device manager. Click on it under the best match. Now the device manager window will be up. Now if in some cases that you cannot find the network adapters, click on your username, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes. You can do this for like 3 times until you can get back your network adapters, and once this is present, click on this arrow. Then you need to look for your Wi-Fi adapter. Now how can you know that in the list of the network adapters that is your network adapter? Press the Windows key and letter R button together. Type here ncpa.cpl. Hit enter. Now let's minimize this. So I have here Realtek, which is the PCLA adapter. So I need to locate this in the list of network adapters right here. And this is it. So that's how you can know what is your network adapter in the list right here. Make a right click, select update driver, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you have two options right here. Now you need to look for, or you need to try one by one as to what will work for you. So if you try the first one, click on Next. Now, Windows has successfully updated your driver. Simply close this and then close this, and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Then if the first option didn't work, then you need to go to the next option by following the same process as to how we have done it. Now for the final method, and also this is a additional method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and you'll find Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, you'll find Network Reset. Click on that. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So you have to click on Reset Now. And your PC will be restarted if you click on Yes. So that's it. You have to see if the problem has been fixed. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue where the Wi-Fi icon is not showing or missing on your Windows, so kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.